I'm Sanjay Tiwari and I have the honor to be the principal of Indian School Wadi Kabir International, Cambridge International curriculum we follow. Before coming to Muscat, I was working as Assistant Vice President for a group of schools in the corporate, looking after a chain of schools for the quality management. And I've also worked as a principal for Birla International School, Kishangarh. It is an academic pride that I'm associated with a big name like Indian School Wadi Kabir, and that too as a principal. I'm very happy to see a diversity as far as education scenario in Oman is concerned. We have adapted to a very, very long range of educational pedagogy, instructional practices, way of teaching. We are on the right track where we are trying to get the best of all the systems at one place. And I think it is very, very important in today's time to give the nationals, the citizens of this country, this great nation, which has got a strong history and developing so well, adopting to different changes, and which is in favor of giving modern education to all the children. So I think the educational scenario in Oman is fantastic. Whatever happens, we have ensured one thing at ISWK International, and that is our efforts cannot be quarantined and the education in our school cannot be locked down. That we have ensured. When it comes to hybrid learning, virtual learning, and adopting ourselves, I understand it is very, very difficult for a child to understand certain concepts, especially in subject areas like mathematics or sciences, which requires experiential learning, the laboratories. How do we do that? But if you look at our classrooms, I invite all of you to come to our school and see how do we try to teach children without diluting, I repeat the word, without diluting any of the significant educational pedagogical approaches. If you see the impact on education, there is no impact of COVID-19 as far as learning is concerned. We are a truly international school. The focus is not only on education, but we are trying to have a paradigm shift where the focus comes from education to learning. So our focus is on learning, not only quality education. What a child learns, whether it is through sciences, technology, engineering, arts and mathematics, or dance and music, we are focusing on the conceptual learning. Cambridge is extremely adaptive. It is very, very child-centric. It focuses on the real core strength which a child can have and exercise the potential. We are asking children to ask questions, to think creatively. It is not only about logical thinking, it is about problem solving, it is about creativity, it is also about those 4 stages of Cambridge curriculum. You will be very happy to know that ISWK International School provides the education and offers all 4 stages of Cambridge curricula at very, very affordable fees. Our whole pedagogy is towards creating those global citizens who can contribute to the humanity. Our focus is not only on making doctors or engineers or advocates or entrepreneurs or CAs or successful businessmen. What we focus on is to create good, nice human beings who can help each other, because this is going to be the need of the hour 10 years, 20 years, 50 years down the line, because the human values will never change. Mental health is definitely affected. Kids are under stress because of the long screen time. They're getting a lot of fatigue, and emotional challenges are always there. They're locked inside a room. Some of them cannot go out, especially the younger ones. To cope with this situation, we have taken help of our counselors. You will be very happy to know that we have a very strong department which counsels children. We have special educators, we have a speech therapist, we have a career counselor. So our teachers our educators are also counselors, because we believe in one thing, that all teachers are counselors by default. Thank you so much. I pray that all of us come out of this global pandemic as soon as possible. And I wish all dear children, the parents, and the whole school community, and the citizen of Oman, and the whole world, all the very best.